Happy Halloween. So it's August the
something, 20-something. 23rd, 27th, who knows?
And we're here for Mickey's Not So Scary Halloween party. It's our second time ever to do a party. This time we actually intend to do stuff.
Last year, we'll leave a link, we only saw the 7 dwarves.
It was crazy. Let's explore. We want to see the parade, so let's go and see what's going on.
Ooh.
Music's awesome.
Last year we came on the very first night and it was horrendous. This feels much better.
I don't think we saw any of this last year because we went down the side, didn't we? I think you can get a Sorcerers card, limited edition one.
Oh yes, let's do it.
What do you got?
I've got a Sorcerers of the Magic Kingdom exclusive card. So last year, at this point in the proceedings, we'd spent 2 hours queuing for
the seven dwarves. Yeah. So it's quite nice just to take it all in.
It is a lot less busy than I was expecting, but last year we came on the very first night, which was a foolish move for the foolish mortals.
I think a lot of people are around the castle waiting for the show.
Oh, that would make sense if it's 8:30. How's your stick?
Yeah, alright. Can you see it?
Yes. Davey's got his glow-in-the-dark stick. It's bad enough being in Disney in daylight and people walking into you with a stick. So this year we've made sure
you can't miss it.
That is not going to happen.
I've seen some great costumes already. I just saw Robin Hood and Maid Marian.
Nice.
It's so good.
Oh, so I have to buy some pins. We hope. Oh, people swarming for their treats. Oh my lordy. That's a long line. Oh, go to Walmart, love. Frontier Trading Post is where we're trying to get to on the left. Oh, so we're meandering through Liberty Square.
It's very dark.
It is dark, however, David looks like a gay Jedi.
Zoom, zoom.
Looks like a gay Yoda. Oh, so we're in the line to have a photo with the gravediggers. That's unexpected.
We don't really know what we're doing.
Oh, we know it's dark. Please forgive us. It's night time. But if you like what you see, that's my thumb. Give it a thumbs up. Can you see it in the dark? Give it a thumbs up and subscribe. We've just found out that if we watch the Silence and Sisters show, they're not going to let us back into Adventureland. So we're going to camp out in Adventureland because we want to see the parade.
Yeah.
Are you scared? Are you scared?
Yeah.
Good. Oh, hello. Oh, that's not what I was expecting. I'm going to fall over. Oh, hello.
That's a bit scary.
Oh, I've never felt so more alive. Thanks, guys. Hi. Oh, my lord. It's following me home. Follow me home.
We just met some lovely people.
Yeah, Paul and these 2 girls.
From Canada.
Not going to name them because it just seems inappropriate. Because they're young. I don't want them being stalked.
Thank you so much for wanting to say hello. It was so nice. Like, genuinely, we're so happy to meet you. If you do have a channel or you start making videos, let us know and we'll link you in. But definitely say hello online again. And it was lovely to meet you.
Yes,
and we hope you enjoy the rest of your holiday. So, We've watched the parade.
We've seen the parade.
We met some grave diggers.
We met the grave diggers and had photos of the grave diggers.
We've had a wander around.
We bought some pins. These are the pins we bought. There's also a pin hall which will be up in the corner and down below.
Probably have a wander down Main Street and we'll do a bit of montage.
It's dark. That's all we can do, I'm afraid. How was that?
Awesome. Loved it. Doopy 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 doo, doopy 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 doo.
That's the end of our Mickey's Not So Scary
Halloween Party 2019.
Woo! Sorry, it's a bit all over the place. Very
It
dark.
was a little bit.
Very dark.
Thank you for watching. Give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe.
Yes.